It's a completely different atmosphere on a Monday night.
Chiefs fans from all over are uniting together to break a noise record at Arrowhead Stadium. So, leading up to the game, we did a sound check of our own.
This game of bags hitting the board is about 92 decibels. And these delicious-looking sizzling burgers are coming in at about 87.9 decibels. And we're getting closer. The band is reaching about 107 decibels.
Now, we're not sure how accurate our decibel reader is, but we know it couldn't handle what happened next.
Will you marry me?
Yes.
You will?
Fans were really feeling the love. Even those for the opposing team said they'll participate.
I am going to scream as loud as I can possibly scream.
So what's the key to reaching 137.6 decibels, enough to break the record?
Got to have a good athletic stance. You always cup the hands. And you just give your big...
Imagine that times 80,000.